Rogers, 20, owed about £1,000 when his brother and friend found him hanged just days after Mother's Day in 2016. It had all started from 2 parking tickets that were £65 each, which he'd been given 14 days to pay back before the fine went up. An inquest heard a bailiff visited motorcycle courier Jerome twice before he took his own life, including the day he disappeared. Some weeks Jerome's earnings were as low as £18. Under the intense pressure of the mounting debt, and with his only source of income, his bike, clamped, Jerome took his own life. Now a new drama, Killed by My Debt, about Jerome, will tell his story. It focuses on the gig economy, borrowing, and the growing national personal debt crisis. The BBC film features actual body cam footage showing the bailiff confronting Jerome in the run-up to his suicide. On the second visit, the bailiff clamped Jerome's Honda bike for auction to recover money that he owed over 2 penalty charges. He then sat outside in his car for 2 hours, which he told an inquest in April last year was to give Mr. Rogers more time to collect the money instead of taking the bike away, which would have incurred more costs, adding to the debt. Ms. Devonish said, "I've considered the actions of the bailiff sitting outside the house for a prolonged period, having not told Jerome the reason he was outside. Could that have been viewed as a form of harassment? Did it increase Jerome's stress levels? My personal view is sitting outside a person's house when you are a bailiff would be intimidating." Mr. Rogers went on the internet and looked up ways to pay the debt, and then left the house and sent sentimental messages to his girlfriend, who raised the alarm. His brother and friend found him hanged in the woods about 24 hours later. His family questioned whether the bailiff's actions drove him to his death, with his mum's partner, Bentley Duncan, who was at the home on both visits, saying he appeared aggressive. However, after hearing evidence and watching body cam footage, Assistant Coroner Jacqueline Devonish said the bailiff had acted reasonably and was informative, adding, "He did what he was required to do under the law." Killed by My Debt will be released on BBC Three later this month. Samaritans 116-123 operates a 24-hour service available every day of the year. If you prefer to write down how you're feeling, or if you're worried about being overheard on the phone, you can email Samaritans at joe@samaritans.org.